Sugar boom boom, I am a hooker, and hooking's what I do. Sugar boom boom, I'm out here repo and taking your from you. Sugar boom boom, I'll have you walking, cause you don't pay that note. Sugar boom boom, now that I have snatched your shit, it's time for me to go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got another repo video, man. These repos are getting out of control. This is my new setup, guys. Let me know if the volume is right, if the video is right. I'm trying to improve on my reaction videos. So if you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get into it.
Beautiful Cybertruck repossession at the auction for sale. Beautiful Foundation Series Cybertruck at the auction for sale. Another repo. Look at this one here. These are trucks that repossess themselves. Owner gets out, goes inside, wakes up, their car is gone. You don't have to pay a tow truck. It drives itself to the auction. Not to mention, look, another Corvette. This is a 2024 with 5,000 miles. The economy is cooked. These are government officials that lost their jobs, massive layoffs.
Those Corvettes are very expensive. So I'm not surprised to see Corvettes on the repo lot. I'm just not.
It's causing a lot of grief. Here goes another one. This is a McLaren. This isn't a cheap ass car. Bro. You have to qualify to buy this, and then you can't afford it. The auto industry is struggling right now. We're in trouble.
So Ford applied and got a patent for new technology for their smart cars that will enable them to, when your arse is laid on your car note,
what?
Have the car open the garage up and drive back to the dealership. And if it's an older model car.
Hey, man. Nah, I ain't never heard no crap like that. Now, I'm about to do some research on that, guys. Like, I would think that would have to be something you would have to agree with. You would have to agree on at the dealership. And leave your comment.
Not salvageable for them to resell and make money. It's going to open the garage and drive to the salvage yard.
Oh, it's going to drive itself. Oh, okay. That's crazy.
Welcome to the New World Order. All these improvements with these vehicles, we think it's for us. No, baby. It's not.
That's wild.
It's not. They tired of y'all hiding them cars over your cousin them house. Okay? It's going to open their garage and drive out of there, too.
That's
okay?
Crazy.
All our little old hood games ain't going to work no more.
2023 BMW iX at the auction, repoed. Somebody wasn't making their payments.
Wow.
And then they got mad when the repo truck came and they wrecked the car. Like, you don't see this car on your daily basis, right? There's a nice sound system to it.
Uh-oh. It look like a fans only woman right there. What is that? Oh yeah.
You need a ride now?
Hold on. I guarantee you she got a fans only page. That's wild, Slim.
Bruh, I am weak. We're in deep. She's trying to hurry up and get in the car. Hurry up and get in the car. Here he come. Here he come. Oh, they gonna hurt somebody, bro. They is gonna hurt somebody. They gonna hurt somebody.
Man, I ain't never heard of people like actually chasing after somebody to repo a car. Leave it in the comments, man. I ain't no way I'm chasing after nobody trying to repo no car. These days, people got guns and everything. Ain't no way, Slim. People don't play about their cars, man. Ain't no way. Couldn't be me. Got him. You gotta be brave to be a repo man, bro. Cause you don't know somebody in that joint or what. Dang. Man, that's incredible to me. I feel like you should at least try to hide that car. I mean, if you know that joint on the repo list, ain't no way I'm gonna just park right in front of my house. That's just crazy.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, you want me to get it? And the neighbors always been. How'd she know they was out there, man? Nosy, man. Neighborhood watch, man. Look at her. Look, she in the background said, they taking your car. Man, that's wild. And that's a newer Camry, look like. It ain't just them expensive cars anymore, man. Everybody getting their cars repoed nowadays. It ain't funny, man. It can happen to anybody. This shit crazy. Oh! They busting that. What's that, a 4? Oh, yeah, I would have left that train too, bro. Bruh, he was really capping off and slim. That's wild. But there it is, man. That's a new repo video, guys, man. Like I said, you gotta pay your bills. I know it gets tough out here. Hey, it can happen to anybody. And when y'all see me laughing and smiling, man, I'm just reacting to the video. I'm not laughing at the people that's actually getting their vehicles repoed, because like I say, it can happen to anybody. But we gotta pay our bills and we gotta stay within our means. Those Corvettes, those cyber trucks, I mean, I think those were a fad. Those were a trend for a minute. And once people got them, they realized they probably couldn't really afford them. So I don't know about the whole driving themselves to the repo lot and all that. Like, I've never heard of that before. So if you know about that, leave it in the comments. If you're new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. Again, this is my new setup. I'm trying to get used to it, guys. The videos will get better. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.